Today, me and Alexander are going to pull the fire alarm. Ha 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 ha. Oh crap! We need to get out of here. Rina and Alexander, come here right now. You both are in very big trouble. Oh no, we're so screwed. Alexander and Rina, I cannot believe you both are false for the fire alarm. That's it. You both are suspended for life. Go home right now, and I'm calling your parents about this. Go home, and you too, Rina. Well, we are going to go home. Well,
Alexander and Rina, are you both serious right now? How dare you pull the fire alarm? You know that it's against the law. That's it! You both are grounded for 9 weeks. And Alexander, you are grounded for 2 months. Go to your room right now.
Rina, let's go home right now. You are in big trouble.
well. Go to your room right now, Rina, because you are still grounded. Not go because you're on punishment. Well, Rina, stop the crying and go to bed. I don't want to hear you crying.